All contracts must be supported by consideration. But what constitutes adequate consideration? Do the parties need to exchange mutual promises, or can something else suffice? We explore that question in the 2005 case, Marshall Durbin Food Corporation versus Baker. In 1998, Bill Baker was a high-level employee of the Marshall Durbin Food Corporation, which we'll refer to as the company. Around that same time, the company was in crisis, and important employees like Baker were concerned about losing their jobs. Baker approached Marshall Durbin Junior, the company's president, about his concerns. As a result, the parties entered into an early retirement and severance agreement, whereby the company agreed to pay Baker 5 years' salary if Baker was still employed with the company upon the occurrence of a triggering event. Triggering events included a substantial change in Baker's responsibilities or the death or incapacity of Durbin. The severance agreement recited that the parties had entered into the contract for $10 and other valuable consideration. After the agreement was executed, Baker continued to work for the company. In 2001, Durbin was diagnosed with cancer. Baker assumed the role of president while Durbin underwent treatment. Durbin was later declared incapacitated and subsequently died. The company refused to honor the severance agreement. Baker filed suit against the company and sought specific performance of the severance agreement. The company asserted that the agreement wasn't valid because it lacked consideration. Following a bench trial, the Chancery Court found that the agreement was valid and entered judgment in favor of Baker. The company appealed to the Mississippi Court of Appeals.